how to free up storage space on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to free up storage on Android phone, then don't worry. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the settings and then scroll down, and there you'll find device care. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll find storage. Tap on it. Now, you can see trash. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, if you want to delete it, just tap on it and then tap on select and then select it. You can even tap on select all on the very top left, and then you can tap on delete all and tap on delete to confirm, and that's it. This is how you delete your trash. You can even delete your unused apps. Here, if you don't need these apps, then you can just tap on it and then tap on uninstall. And you can do that with the duplicate files and large files that you don't need as well. And that's it. This is how you free up storage on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.